Hi, my name is Adnan and my roll number is CE21B002. This is my fluid mini project 2. In this, I am going to demonstrate and explain the meniscus form when we fill the water in the glass up to its brim. In this experiment, we need a glass and access to water. We will fill water up to its brim and now observe the meniscus form. Now let's take a deeper dive into the science behind the formation of this meniscus and how it varies with different liquid and container. The meniscus is formed at the surface of the liquid when it comes in contact with walls of the container. The shape of the meniscus is determined by the intermolecular forces that are at play between liquid, the container, and the surrounding atmosphere. At the surface of the liquid, the molecules are subjected to two types of intermolecular forces: cohesive forces, adhesive forces. Cohesive forces are attractive forces that exist between the molecule of the liquid itself, while adhesive forces are attractive forces that exist between the molecules of liquid and molecules of the container wall. When the liquid is placed in the container, both cohesive and adhesive forces come into play. If the adhesive forces are stronger than the cohesive forces, the liquid will be attracted to the container wall, causing the meniscus to be concave. If the cohesive forces are stronger than the adhesive forces, the meniscus will be convex, bulging up in the middle. The surface tension of the liquid is a measure of cohesive force between molecule of the liquid. The surface tension determines how easily the liquid will spread out over the surface of the container and whether the meniscus will be concave or convex. The contact angle between the liquid and the container wall is another important factor that determines the shape of the meniscus. This angle is determined by the balance between adhesive and cohesive force. A contact angle of 0 means that the liquid fully wets the container wall, while a contact angle of 180 degrees means that the liquid does not wet the container wall. Different liquids have different surface tension, which means that the shape of meniscus will vary depending on the liquid being used.